In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sellfy to upload posters. By the end, you'll have your poster artwork set up as a print-on-demand product, which means Sellfy will handle the printing and shipping for you so you can focus on creating and selling. Start by opening your Sellfy dashboard and head to the Products section. Click Add New Product. This is where every new item begins on your store, and it keeps the setup clean and organized. Next, choose Print on Demand. This option is important because it tells Sellfy you're not shipping from your own inventory. Instead, they'll produce each poster as orders come in, which helps you avoid upfront stock costs and makes fulfillment hands-off. Under the product categories, navigate to Home and Living and select Posters. Picking the correct category helps keep your catalog tidy and makes it easier for customers to find what they're looking for. It also ensures you're attaching your artwork to a poster product rather than a different item. Now it's time to upload your poster artwork. Use a high-resolution file in PNG or JPG format. For best results, match your file's dimensions to the print size you intend to offer, so you're not stretching or shrinking the image. Aim for crisp detail and avoid heavy compression. If your design includes fine lines or text, make sure they're legible at full size and keep important elements away from the edges to prevent unintentional cropping. Consistent, natural lighting and accurate colors in your file will help your printed poster look the way you expect. With your artwork in place, add your product details. Give your poster a clear, descriptive title so buyers instantly understand what it is. In the description, explain what the artwork represents and what customers can expect when they receive it. Keep it simple and engaging, and mention any standout qualities your design emphasizes. Set your price by considering both your costs and your desired profit margin, and choose a number that feels fair for the quality you're offering. Then upload preview images of your poster. Use clean, high-quality visuals that show the design clearly. The more accurate and appealing your previews, the more confident your customers will feel. When everything looks good, click Save Product. That's it. Your poster is now set up as a print-on-demand item in Sellfy, ready for you to manage and share as you grow your store. Thanks for watching, and great job getting your first poster online.